Hey there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY, and we're going to be looking at how to bleep something out in Premiere Pro without having to leave it and, go find sound effects. This is just an easy way to do it in-house. So what we're going to do first is find what we want to bleep in our clip. In this case, we're going to be using the word freaking, just for example. So go ahead and play this through.
The friggin' twerking dog.
But
a dog. All right, here we go.
All right, so we can go ahead and decide this is what we want to go ahead and clip out. So
Friggin' twerking.
So that's our little clip right here. So what I'm going to do is take the pen tool on this little audio part right here. Here's the word. I'm going to let the beginning stand a little bit and the very end stand a little bit, but then I'm going to drag this down. So now we have
The friggin' twerking dog.
I'm going to go ahead and move this back a little bit and move that over.
Friggin' twerking dog.
Alright, so now it gets lower. So what I want to do is I want to make some sound over top. So we need bars and tone. You do that by going right here to new item. Go to bars and tone. You go ahead and hit OK. It should be set up. And then you're going to have something like this. You're just going to hear that. So we're going to unlink these two right there. Delete this top part and drag this bottom beep over to where our word is and cut it to match. And we have
The friggin' twerking dog.
And you can adjust the sound by going to the gain here and turning it up and down as you need, but that is just the easy, rough and simple version of bleeping something out in Premiere Pro. Alright, y'all take care. Peace.